few of them in fact. What we'll do as usual, जैसे we'll start with an Om chanting. 3 counts of Om chanting just to get your mind a bit more relaxed and focused at this point. And then we'll come to the new topic which I am working on, conscious human evolution. But we'll start with the Om chanting first. Aankhein band, keep your eyes closed. Body relax. Shoulders and hands relax. Head, neck, spine straight. Be aware of the sitting position. शरीर का ध्यान. Be aware of the breathing. सांसों पर ध्यान. In and out. In and out. Now we're going to chant Om 3 times. First we're going to breathe in deep and then we're going to chant 3 times together. So please take a deep breath in. Eyes closed, body relaxed. Feel the effect of the chanting. Be aware of the breathing again. Be aware of the body. Gently open your eyes. I want more light, थोड़ा ज़्यादा. It is a bit dark for me too. You can switch off here all, because it is in fact affecting. Thank you. Okay, so today's topic, conscious human evolution. First of all, do you believe in evolution? Do you believe that there's still some growth which is possible within you, even no matter whatever stage of life you are at? There is still some development, some progress, maybe on a mental level, emotional level, maybe on a social level of your life which you play, or the family level. No matter whatever you are right now positioned as, do you believe that there is still some scope of growth? क्या आपको लगता है कि हाँ कुछ ना कुछ प्रोग्रेस हो सकता है आपके बारे में? The base of life is growth. Life means growth. Exactly. So first of all, you agree with this कि yes, there is always a scope of growth, no matter whatever position I am right now at. Now the next question. Growth in any aspect. See, now you can see yourself as an individual, taking yourself as an individual, and think yourself as a human being where you have your qualities as an emotions, you have your mental capacities, you have your physical capacities, your body which can become more fit, you have got a spiritual aspect where you can relate with others. So when you are trying to move out from a certain zone to another zone where you are experiencing some more kind of freedom, or you are walking out in a way where you are comfortable, which you earlier was challenging. पहले challenging था, but now you are trying to explore different things. That itself is growth. So do you think कि आप में अभी भी कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे बाकी है कि that can grow? You as a person can grow still?
Yeah, age related also.
That's what. That's the next question. Yeah, it is regression, or you can say it is going back.
Age is simple. जिसमें ध्यान है.
Yes.
जिसमें जान है.
जिसमें जान है वो बढ़ेगा. But next question ये अभी ये है कि are you in touch with that जान?
If you are aware. Aware with that. Yeah.
Are you in touch with that Jan which he is talking about, key that will inspire you to grow? people who are not in touch with that Jan, or which we call spirit, or which is the source of creation, who have cut themselves off, जिन्होंने अपने अंदर की जो उत्पत्ति होती है, everything which has come out, वो source हम में भी है. If we have lost the touch with that source, with that point, then we will struggle, and instead of evolving as a human being, we will move towards piche side, how we have kind of come from animals. Those kind of instincts will come within us. What are those instincts? Fear. Yeah, basically fear. Most of the time it is fear and struggle for survival. So the next question was this only. If you know that yes, I can grow, the next question was, what are you doing and how you are growing? Are you tracking it? Are you aware of what growth is happening within you? Are you aware of it? So पिछले टाइम, it was about long time back, I had come over here 2-2.5-3 महीना हो गया शायद, and I was every moment is just lovely, and if you are in touch with that creative aspect, it will open up new windows and new vistas in terms of different kind of knowledge to come in. So I came upon a concept which I am working on, which is change. अगर आपको बदलना है, you can't be the same thing right now who you are. As a human being, if I am talking about evolution, growth, this is the stage. That means यहाँ पर आप कुछ अलग हो in terms of how you are experiencing, यहाँ पे कुछ अलग, and this is evolution. जितना हो सकता है उतना you can go. So I came up with this change. Change is conscious, human ascension for nurturing goodness and excellence. Change is conscious. First of all, conscious मतलब क्या? Yes, are you conscious? Are you aware of whatever changes is? Yes, and not only the changes which you are doing, but why you are doing it, how it is happening, क्यों हो रहा है ये अंदर, and what is it leading towards? What kind of growth मेरे अंदर हो रहा है? Am I relating with people out of love or out of fear? So being conscious of that. Human, obviously, we are talking about our growth. It is human. It is very much, I am not talking about something now which is related to some, outside God or something like that. Now I am talking about your growth, which is, how many of you really believe आपकी जो growth है is in your hand?
Yes, absolutely. We are trying for it.
When we born it,
We are conscious.
till now.
Yes, that is one of the very fundamental kind of faith and belief which you need to have initially at least, कि yes, our growth is in our hand. So conscious human ascension. Ascension मतलब yes, keep on ascending. ऊपर जाओ. Consciously you have to take steps. In fact, sorry, I had got, which I want to distribute. I can distribute, right? This here? Yeah. I've made a manifesto. I'm working on that manifesto. I want to carry out this change program also almost at every kind of place so that people can know about it. Oh sorry, अरे आप आगे आइए ना फिर. अरे वहाँ पे ठीक नहीं है, मुझे कितना चलना पड़ता है. प्लीज़, इसलिए तो बोला मैं. नहीं, आप आगे आए लेने के लिए और यहाँ पे बैठ जाइए ना. ये यंग लोगों के साथ बैठे, आप पीछे जाके और क्यों. गुड. So what I have given इसमें the change का manifest. Don't read it now, But yeah. So what Abhi, this is very interesting and fun. The best thing about it is fun, because once you are in touch with that something which is constantly growing, automatically अंदर से your mind start functioning, your emotions start functioning in a different way. It is practical kind of experience which I am experiencing all the time. So nurturing ascension हो गया, मतलब we have to evolve. Nurturing goodness and excellence. Now as a ह्यूमन बीइंग, अंदर का गुडनेस, व्हाट इज इट? या लव, फीलिंग ऑफ बिलोंगिंगनेस, what you're thinking about yourself, life, attitude which you have towards yourself, life. Yeah, in basically excellence in the work which you do, which you have taken. So I am here not kind of leaving only taking into consideration only goodness of human being, because we have to work and function, everybody has got some job to do. Yes, so we are nurturing what as a goodness come first. This is the basic change में you have to first inculcate the goodness. Excellence आएगा, but yes, that is also important, and here it is the excellence. So we are consciously nurturing that when we are following this change program, or when we are in line with something which I have kind of given. You can read it later, but अभी जो major question next which I will be asking is this nurturing of goodness and excellence, is it happening at every moment with each of us? No, yes, it is happening. For few people it might not be happening. For yes, so
it should happen, but it is not happening.
it is not happening.
It is happening. You don't know.
But if you do not know, how are you conscious about your own growth?
Yeah, right.
So once जैसे एक आपने you take a seed and you put it in the soil so that it could grow, and you go away. You are not taking care of it,
But still they will grow.
but that is by chance, accident. Same way everybody is growing by accident.
Jungle.
Yes,
It automatically grows.
it grows automatically. But when we are talking about taking care of something,
Taking care of something, then you give the full attention.
perfect, full attention. So aspects of taking care is full attention, responsibility, full attention. You have to take care of it, you have to pay attention. And when I say pay attention, what you need to pay attention to? Pay attention to your thoughts, pay attention to your thinking, feelings, why, from what source they are coming. And when you are not paying attention to this, what are you paying attention to? You are paying attention, yes, to the opposite, which is the fear. You are getting involved and creating more fear, instead of paying attention to how it should be actually, depending upon how you want, जैसे आपको चाहिए. You are paying attention to the problems in terms of जो है, not to the strength of yours. And now there is no limit at all. So we'll move on to this